Hey, what's up everybody, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to show you one of the simplest recipes that I ever share on this channel. What I'm referred to is green bean with egg. It is a green bean omelette Chinese style, and what I need is only 6 ingredients inclusive oil, so you can imagine how easy it is when you are short of time, when you are short of ingredients, and you still want to cook something that is delicious, and this is the one. So without further delay, I'm going to show you how to prepare this dish. To prepare this dish is pretty simple. What we need some eggs, we need some green beans. This is a long beans, which is very widely available in Asia, and if you do not have the long bean, you can use a shorter green bean, and the way that you're going to cook it is exactly the same. And also we have some salt, some pepper, and also we have an extra ingredients over here which is optional. This is the Chinese style preserved radish, which is slightly sweet and slightly salty. All we need to do now is to cut the green bean into very thin slices. This is the preserved radish. As I mentioned to you, it is slightly salty and slightly sweet. That's the reason I will only add a very small amount of salt into the recipe. Cut it into small pieces. It is slightly crunchy. Okay, that's all the ingredients we need. Bring a pot of water to a boil and put the beans inside to blanch very short while, about 10 to 15 seconds. And then remove it from the water and put it into a colander. Put the green beans in a colander to drain away the water. And the purpose of doing this step is because green beans take slightly longer to cook compared to eggs. And also it helps to remove the raw smell of the green beans. Now let's add all the ingredients to the egg. Have your pepper, a little bit of salt, the preserved radish, the beans, mix thoroughly, and now we can start to make the omelets. Heat the oil in a pan. When it becomes medium heat, pour the egg mixture into it. Turn down the heat slightly and let it cook until the bottom of the egg is formed. Okay, it's no longer stick onto the bottom. Now let's slide the omelette into a large plate. And then carefully reverse it back to the pan. Okay, all right. Now continue to cook the other side until the doneness that you want. Okay, it's no longer sticky, which means that the other side is also well formed and cooked. So now you can remove it and put it onto the plate to serve. Or alternatively, you can cut it into wedges. That's how to prepare the egg with green beans omelette, and I hope you will love this recipe. And it's so simple that even though you have very few items in your refrigerator, all you need egg and green beans, and you're gonna enjoy this one. Even though if you do not have the preserved radish that I mentioned, just omit it and add just a little bit extra salt will do. Thanks for watching, and I have included the recipe in the description below the video, and I will also add the recipe at the end of this video for your convenience. And see you again in the next video, and before that, please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up. See you again.